WLWT News 5, leading the way with breaking news.
All right, we got a lot of breaking news to get you caught up on this hour. Thanks for joining us here at noon. I'm Stephen Albrecht.
And I'm Kelly Rippin. So first at noon, just a short time ago, the teenage suspect arrested after plotting to kill and kidnap his classmates in a school shooting has now agreed to a plea deal. A guilty plea to new charges may mean he avoids a lengthy prison sentence. WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick was in juvenile court for that hearing, and he joins us now live with how this evolved. Brian.
Kelly, it's a major development in the case. The teen admits to the charges, which basically is the same as pleading guilty in juvenile court, but there's a dramatic change in the charges.
The state has filed additional charges, counts 2 through 13. Your Honor, I did provide Your Honor with a copy of the complaints as well as the defense attorney this morning. It's 12 counts of inducing panic.
So here's what happened. The teen admitted to the 12 new counts of inducing panic. In exchange for the plea deal, the state dropped the one count the teen had been charged with, which was conspiracy to commit murder. In addition, prosecutors will not attempt to get this case into adult court. That's important as well. This all comes after the teen was accused of threatening to shoot up Marymount High School. There were 12 people specifically named in the threat. That's where those 12 counts come from. There are texts between the teen and a man in Colorado Springs that showed plans involving guns, killing, and rape. Now, the judge wants a sentencing evaluation before she does the sentencing. There's another hearing scheduled July 23rd. Reporting live, Brian Hamrick, WLWT News 5.
Okay, so knowing all this now, Brian, what kind of sentence does the teen face?
Well, there are a lot of things that the judge could do. They have a lot of leeway in juvenile court. What she could do, though, the maximum sentence would be up to his 21st birthday on each of the counts, and he's 14 years old now. The difference is, had he been tried as an adult, he could have been sentenced to life in prison, and that could have, parole could have come at 35 years. So you can see that was a huge part of this whole deal to get this in juvenile court and let it stay there. Kelly?
Interesting developments for us this morning. Brian Hamrick breaking it down for us. Brian, thank you.